Orbits are pyramidal shaped cavities, one on each side of the nose. Orbit contains eyeball, muscles, nerves, vessels, ligaments, fat. Parts of orbit. Apex. This is situated at the medial end of superior orbital fissure, lies at posterior end of the orbit. Medial walls of two orbits are parallel. Lateral walls meet each other at 90-degree angle. Roof. Orbital plate of frontal bone forms the roof of the orbit. It shows lacrimal fossa anterolaterally for the lacrimal gland, optic canal at the junction of roof and medial wall, trochlear fossa anteromedially. It gives attachment to trochlea for tendon of superior oblique, lateral wall. The formed mainly by the zygomatic bone. Its frontal process forms the strong lateral wall, and part of greater wing of sphenoid forms the lateral wall posteriorly. Superior orbital fissure lies at the junction of roof and lateral wall. Zygomatic foramen is in the zygomatic bone. Floor. Orbital surface of maxilla and orbital surface of zygomatic bone. It separates the orbit from maxillary air sinus. Inferior orbital fissure lies at the junction of floor and lateral wall. There is inferior orbital groove and inferior orbital canal. They run in the floor. Floor in its anteromedial part gives origin to the inferior oblique muscle. The thin medial wall is formed mainly by the frontal process of maxilla, delicate lacrimal bone, and another delicate orbital plate of ethmoid. Orbital plate of ethmoid separates the orbit from the ethmoidal air sinus. The lacrimal groove lodges lacrimal sac. The groove leads through the nasolacrimal canal into the inferior meatus of the nose. Anterior and posterior ethmoidal canal lie at junction of roof and medial wall. The inferior orbital fissure contains the zygomatic nerve, orbital branches of pterygopalatine ganglia, inferior orbital nerve, and communication between inferior ophthalmic vein and the pterygoid venous plexus. The other foramina will be done with the total number of foramina.